Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền, a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. When you learn Vietnamese, it's very tempting to translate sentence word for word from English. But because the grammar structures are so different, this often leads to common mistakes. Making mistakes is a normal part of learning, but recognizing these patterns is the key to improving. Today, we're going to look at 5 of the most frequent errors English speakers make because of direct translation. Fixing these will immediately make your Vietnamese sound much more natural and help you communicate more clearly. Whether you're navigating Hanoi or chatting with a new friends, let's get started. First, let's watch a short conversation between 2 friends in Hanoi. Tom is a learner and Mai is a native speaker.
Mai ơi, hôm qua tớ đi ở Hồ Tây chơi.
Ồ thế à? Cậu đi một mình à?
Thời tiết đẹp rất. Tớ chụp nhiều ảnh lắm.
Thích thế. Hồ Tây mùa này đẹp mà.
À, tớ có mua bánh để cậu cho ăn. Cậu ăn đi.
Ơi, cho tớ à? Cảm ơn cậu nhá.
Did you notice some of the slightly unnatural phrasing Tom used? He made a few classic mistakes by translating English structure. He said, đi ở Hồ Tây, go at West Lake, and đẹp rất, beautiful very. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use rất and quá lắm, very so, correctly depending on the context and position. Emphasize comparison like much more naturally. Distinguish between cho and de. Use movement verbs like đi correctly without the preposition ở. From correct yes-no questions and negative statement using the verb là. Let's break down these 5 mistakes. Mistake 1. The very confusion rất and quá lắm. Both rất and quá or lắm means very or so, but they are used in different situations and different positions in the sentence. Rất meaning very is used for objective statements, opinion or facts. It sounds more neutral, informative or formal. Position is always goes before the adjective. For example, an opinion about a book. Quyển sách này rất hay. This book is very interesting. Tôi rất vui được gặp anh. I am very happy to meet you. Hôm qua trời rất nóng. Yesterday the weather was very hot. Quá or lắm meaning so or to. Quá and lắm are used to express immediate feelings, emotions or exclamations happening right now. They sound spontaneous. In the Northern dialect, both are common, with quá often emphasizing a stronger reaction. They always go after the adjective. For example, the first one, reacting to the weather. Ôi, hôm nay trời nóng quá. Oh, today the weather is so hot. And the second example, tasting food. Món bún chả này ngon lắm. This bún chả is so delicious. And the third example, seeing something beautiful. Cái váy này đẹp quá. This dress is so beautiful. Using rất after the adjective. Like Tom said, đẹp rất. Or using both together, rất đẹp quá. And the second mistake, emphasizing comparison incorrectly. When comparing things using hơn, more than, we often want to emphasize the difference. The mistake in here is translating directly from the English and saying rất plus adjective plus hơn. Rất tốt hơn, very better. To fix it, to emphasize the comparison, we add rất nhiều, a lot or much, after the comparison structure. The structure is adjective plus hơn plus rất nhiều. Okay, I'll give you an example. Comparing food. Phở ở đây ngon hơn rất nhiều. The phở here is much more delicious. Comparing technology, điện thoại mới này nhanh hơn rất nhiều. This new phone is much faster. How about comparing skill? Tiếng Việt của tôi tốt hơn rất nhiều. My Vietnamese is much better. The third mistake, the two meanings of for, cho, and để. The English word for can be confusing because it had multiple meanings. Vietnamese used to distinguish cho and để. Cho meaning for, the beneficially, used for when something is given to someone or done for someone's benefit. For example, giving something. Tôi mua cà phê cho bạn. I bought coffee for you. Mẹ đang nấu ăn cho cả nhà. Mom is cooking for the whole family. Third example, cho tớ hỏi đường đến bưu điện. Let me ask the way to the post office. About để. Để means for, the purpose of. In order to use để when explaining the function of an object or the purpose of an action. If you can replace for with in order to, use để. For example, the purpose of learning. Tớ học tiếng Việt để đi du lịch. I am learning Vietnamese in order to travel. Second example, function of an object. Con dao này là để cắt hoa quả. This knife is for cutting fruit. The third example, tớ gọi điện để xác nhận lịch hẹn. I am calling in order to confirm the appointment. About the mistake, use cho for purpose. Cái này cho ăn. Or để for recipient. Quà này để bạn. As Tom did in the dialogue. The fourth mistake. The fourth mistake, movement verbs and ở. This is a very common direct translation mistake. Ở means at or in and indicates a static location where you currently are. The correct way to use it, tôi đang ở nhà. I am at home. The mistake way, combining movement verbs like đi, go, đến, arrive or về, return with the static preposition ở. An incorrect way to use it. Tôi đi ở Hà Nội. I go at Hanoi. To fix it, when using a movement verb, you do not need ở. The destination follows the verb directly. For example, going, the incorrect way, đi ở siêu thị. The correct way, đi siêu thị. Cuối tuần, tôi thường đi siêu thị. On weekends, I usually go to the supermarket. Second example, arriving, the incorrect way, đến ở văn phòng. The right way is đến văn phòng. Mấy giờ bạn đến văn phòng? What time do you arrive at the office? The third example, returning, incorrect way, về ở nhà. Về nhà. Chúng ta về nhà thôi. Let's go home. Mistake 5. Asking questions with to be, là, phải là. The verb to be, am, is, are, is là when followed by a noun in a simple affirmative statement. For example, tớ là giáo viên. I am a teacher. However, these structures change for negative statement and yes/no questions. The mistake is forgetting the necessary helping word phải, much, or correct. I give you an incorrect negative sentence. Tớ không là giáo viên. Or an incorrect questions. Cậu là giáo viên không? How to fix it? You must include phải into negative statements and questions involving là plus now. The right negative structures is subject plus không phải là plus now. For example, tớ không phải là người Mỹ. I am not American. Đây không phải sách của tớ. This is not my book. Anh ấy không phải là bác sĩ. He's not a doctor. For question structures. Subject plus có phải là plus noun plus không. Cậu có phải là sinh viên không? Are you a student? Đó có phải là nhà hàng mới không? Is that a new restaurant? Cô ấy có phải là diễn viên không? Is she an actress? Okay, let's practice. Rất or quá. Choose the best word based on the context. 1. Cà phê này ngon. 2. Bộ phim đó hay. 3. Ôi lạnh. 4. Hà Nội đẹp. Activity 2. Correct the sentence, identify the mistake, and rewrite the sentence correctly in Northern Vietnamese. 1. Tôi mua cái áo này cho tặng bạn tôi. 2. Hôm qua chúng tôi đi ở bảo tàng. 3. Cái máy tính này rất nhanh hơn cái cũ. 4. Bạn có phải là người Anh không? The third activity, translation. You have to translate the following into Northern Vietnamese. 1. I am very tired today. 2. This food is so spicy. 3. I need money in order to buy a house. 4. He's not a student. Great job today, everyone. Recognizing the patterns take time, so be patient with yourself. Let's quickly review the 5 fixes. 1. Rất and quá lắm. Use rất before the adjective. For opinions or facts, use quá or lắm after the adjective for immediate emotion. 2. Emphasizing comparison. Say adjective hơn rất nhiều. 3. Cho versus để. Use cho for beneficially. Recipients use để for purpose in order to. 4. Movement verbs. Drop ở. When using movement verbs like đi, đến, về. 5. To be, questions, and negatives. Remember, phải là in negative sentence, không phải là in questions, có phải là không when using to be with a noun. Practice this with your friends or teacher today to help these corrections become automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons from Vietlingo.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.